Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
My friends, gumawa ako ng maliit na sulat o konting video para sa kaibigan ko na kaarawan niya. Ito'y maliit na papapaalala lang bilang isang kaibigan na hanggang ngayon hindi tayo naghiwalay, hindi tayo kalimutan, lumayo man ako, andiyan pa rin tayo, bawat isa, hindi nagkawatak-watak, kung sino man sila, alam mo na yan. Jasmine, Riri, Princess, Jana, Jewel, tayo lang ang hindi naghiwa-hiwalay, hindi nagkawatak-watak. Friends forever ang masasabi ko. Kahit sa malit na bagay, talagang hindi ako mapaniwala na kayo ang tunay na kaibigan ko dito sa imo. Sa larangan ng imo, kasi nungalingan o katunayan man, hindi tayo nag-iiwat. So, ang message ko sa iyo, sinulat ko na lang sa alam na, mayroon na, makalimutin ako. To my dear sister, friends, honor, mother hurt, today, I just want to extend you my greetings on your birthday. All I can say to a Jasmine on your birthday, Black Lady, Jasmine, Black Lady, nagmali na ako, sensya, is that you are a true friend, not without abandon and ready to defend to subjects even it causes angers to others. That's naano ko talaga. Pasensya na kung putol-putol lang aking message sa'yo. That's where I meet you and I never forget friends. My only talaga. Wish for you, Mother Earth. I hope you fulfill your dreams in life, go abroad again and fulfill your dreams with your children. I know you can. I know you can talaga. Tatawa ako I know you can talaga. Happy birthday to you. I love you and I miss you a lot. I miss you. Talagang miss na kita. Let's make joke and stories. Thanks to Black Lady or Jasmine, who is a true friend. Happy birthday, Bear. Sana maligaya ka sa araw na to, kahit na medyo bulo lang pagkaka-video ko sa'yo, ay ito ay galing sa aking puso. At talagang true friends tayo. Yung mga nabanggit ko, tayo lang talaga. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Be. Salamat sa pagkakabigan natin. I love you all.
Happy birthday, Mother! What I say it to you. I wish you good health, best in life, good in life, especially your family. Thank you. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for being my best friend. Thank you for being my family. You are my family here in Imo. Really. Both you, Princess, Riri, some of our friends. You are my family here. So thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pag-iintindi sa amin, sa mga topak namin na naiintindihan mo, na minsan ikaw na nagsusungit din, minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng argument or some reason na minsan hindi namin naiintindihan or hindi ko naiintindihan, but you were always be there, Mother. Thank you for that, Mother. What is it? Ano pa ba? Wala naman akong ibang i-wish sa'yo. Wish ko lang talaga na soon makita-kita na tayo, magsama tayo, more gimmick, yung gusto nating puntahan, mapuntahan natin. Thank you, Mother. Thank you. What I say it pa? Always thank you eh. Always thank you talaga. Kasi ikaw lahat ang umiintindi sa amin. Ikaw na nga lang umaalis eh. But I hope Black Lady will be soon coming again in Imo, staying in Imo, kahit na ano pa yan, andyan pa rin tayo. And what else? I will say it na I can wait that I met you, hug you all, kiss you all. Mother, happy birthday. Basta lagi kang mag-ingat, ha? Ingat lagi. And especially yung family mo, ingat kayo palagi. We love you. I love you. And I'm always here for all of you. I'm just always here. Nandito lang ako. Meron man tayong mga especially problema na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Nandito lang ako. Handang makinig sa inyo. Handang makinig. Again, Mother, no drama. No drama. No crying. I wish you all the best and love. Thank you and happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you, my dear. Every word I speak's sincere from my heart. Oh, I know now you're older, but please do stay sober so you can enjoy today. Happy birthday to you, my dear.
Mother, happy birthday. It's your day today, so I hope you are happy today because we are here, all of us here today to celebrate with your birthday, even though if we're not having something for you. Because it's not really important. Because as we know that the most important thing for you is that we are here for you. Your daughters are here, your friends, Um, well, Mother, all I can say is I was really thankful. I was really thankful to have you in my life. For the days start spending time with you. From the day I met you, I feel that you're showing something to me like a mother figure. Even though, I was really older than you. Yes, true. I was really older than you, but we are keeping to call you mother. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Being a mother is really a wonderful thing in our life. So that's why you are blessed. You are really blessed to have a good family, a wonderful family, and a beautiful daughter, of course. Yes, of course. Anyway, Mother, wish ko lang you have a long life and good health, and I wish your dreams will come true. Like I know there's some goals in your life that you want to make it happen. I wish you ano ba yun, Mother? Wish ko lang sana matupad mo yun, na ma-receive mo yun. Maybe not in this day, but someday maging happy ka sa lahat ng matagumpay mo silang makamit ba. Anyway, Mother, I don't know ba, kalimutan ko yung message ko eh. But like I was said, I was really thankful that nandito ka pala sa tabi namin. You've been even though na matitigas yung ulo namin ba. Like me, of course, I'm the worst daughter that you ever had, di ba? That's why I'm giving you a lot of problems maybe for all of my troubles, all about everything, an unlucky love story of Princess. You know everything about me, mother. I never hide anything from you. But then if sometimes that I never come to you to share all everything, to share all my problems, maybe I just don't want to give you problems. Just don't want to give you headaches again. Because from the start I'm giving you a lot of headaches from my troubles. Mm. Then mother, you are really a wonderful person for us. You give us happiness, you give us some peace of mind when we are together, when we are with you. We feel happy, we enjoy. You know how much I miss that. I really miss that time that we all been together, spending in one VR. I hope someday magkita-kita tayo. Like we spending together sometime. Like we go to Siargao, like we are planning to do. But then anyway, alam ko magkikita-kita tayo. I hope, mother, huwag mo kaming huwag ka magsawa na magstay sa amin. Hindi ko na inok. Don't stop coming to us. Stay with us because we always want you to be with us. Don't keep moving yourself like you are doing now. Because even though we are not sharing everything from you, for you, we are not sharing our problems to you, it means that we forget you and we don't love you. You know how much we love you. Your daughter's always here, mostly me, because I'm really the one who started everything about everything, Yok. But mother, andito lang kami. Mag-stay pa tayo ng matagal. At magkikita-kita pa rin tayo. Sana mother, sana huwag ka mag-boyfriend dito. Anyway, sana mother, wish ko ma-receive yung best gift ngayong birthday mo. I know we can't give you everything you want. Oh my God, mother, we can give you course. Because we are poor, your children are poor. But even though we are poor, we're still beautiful. Anyway, mother, thank you for being with us. We treasure you, we respect you, of course. Everybody respect you here, and of course love you. So keep on staying with us. Don't give up on us because we are counting on you. We want you to be our side forever. Not maybe forever, but we want it forever. Thank you for giving enough love to us. And we promise you that we give it all back to you, what you gave to us. This love is from me, from Jonna, from Pia, from Riri, from Stanisha, of course, Joel, our lovely girl daughter, Hakira. No, there's a lot of people who keep on loving you. So a lot of wonderful people here around you. So have a wonderful day today, Mother. I love you. We love you. Happy birthday. And I hope you enjoy what I did today, because you know there's giving a lot of friends. I talked to many people about this. Okay, thank you. I hope you appreciate the gift that we gave to you soon.
Ooh, this is gonna be the best day of your life, and I can will sing, hey, 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 happy birthday to you, you. I just wanna say, hey, 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 happy birthday to you, you. Now let's celebrate. Whoa, whoa, happy birthday. Whoa, whoa, it's your birthday. Hey, 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 happy birthday to you.
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and all the success for now and in the future. Wish you good health, of course, for you and to your whole family. And be happy always. We love you. Hello, Mommy.
What it takes to come alive. Starting a feeling I just can't deny. But I gotta
Sa amin, pinagmamahal na Sister Black Lady, binabati kita sa arawan na ito. Ito yung pinakamahalaga bigyan sa buhay mo.
Happy birthday, Mommy. You were my very first friend and you are still my best friend. You are the best mom a son could have ever hope to have. Wishing you all the best today and always.
Ako birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na.